Bro, what is happening right now? Oh. I thought I just died. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Lovely. Yo, good morning, YouTube. It is the only Carter back again. Hopefully y'all have been great and hopefully y'all been blessed. As we prepare today on a Wednesday morning, I just got out of work and I'm about to go to a POV. I'm downtown and we about to be living, about to chill, about to do a little ASMR video. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this. We're on the way to 2K, about to hit 10K. I can't wait. Make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys do check out my old videos. This week and from now on, once I get that new battery, we're changing everything. We're gonna make new content, different content. Hopefully you guys like the content. This summer, we're gonna be great. We're about to get the mirror caps. I found the mirror caps that I want and the spoiler. Sheesh. I'm excited. Y'all aren't as excited as me, but I really do hope you guys do enjoy this. It's just a calm little ASMR video, nothing too crazy, but let's hop into it. We're about to go to my favorite place, Starbucks this morning. About to drive around downtown city, let y'all listen, let y'all enjoy. And we're just gonna be out of there, you know what I'm saying? Exit this way. Alright, let's pay this ticket real quick and we're gonna be straight. Alright, let's start it. So yeah, this is downtown for y'all. Let me get out the car. This downtown for y'all. Hopefully y'all boys do enjoy content today. So let's get it started. Let's get it started, man. Let's get it. But yeah, once I get that second battery, expanding the content. I'm gonna still try to expand the content as much as I can. With one battery will usually last about like 15 minutes. This 19 News right here, boys. Yup. CW. I enjoyed that heavy. That was sweet. Oh my god. Rocket Arena to the Brown Stadium, and we gonna chill. Just giving y'all a little good POV. These potholes are so strange out here. Quick question for you guys. I don't know if it's me, but when you drive, does it feel like you're actually driving or not? Like, I've been driving since I was a senior in high school, so I don't know, it just feels like so natural. Like, you get in the car, you start the car, and you start driving from point A to point B. Like, how is that for you guys? Like, do you guys like driving? Because driving, for me, I love driving. Like, I love cars. I love the insides of the cars, the outside of the cars. I mean, it's no problem to me, but I just want to know how it is for y'all. So, I mean, that's pretty much, that's nothing but just steel and stuff, so. Hold on, let me ask him. Yo, I can come right here? But yeah, this is pretty much just downtown area. This is mostly downtown, so I'm just gonna give you all this POV. But yeah, I just always wondered, like, how is it for you guys? Imagine this cop pulled me over just for being a good Samaritan. So this is Tower City right now. Oh my God, buddy. That's another cop right there. They thinking they doing something, like lurking. This is gonna be a little rainy POV today, fellas. Let's see what we looking like today. Okay, so yeah, look, this is the head mount I use. This is the GoPro. So if y'all don't know, I say it in every video, I have a GoPro Hero 11. It's a great camera. One thing is, I would say before you buy it, get an extra battery if you're trying to expand content. I don't know if you want to do videos, YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, stuff like that, and all that type of content. Get yourself an extra battery, because that will help, promise you. Believe me, I know, because I've been doing videos before and my GoPro dies and I'm like, dang, I missed out on good opportunities, good content, you know? But that's the name of the game. That's all. I'm thinking about getting a chest mount as well. Like, if I want to record regular videos instead of a head mount, because people are obviously going to stare at me because I'm extremely tall. And also I got a little camera on my head, and people are wondering, oh, what is that? What is that? Is that live? Bro, what is happening right now? Shawty's beeping like we can move. Like, nobody can move right now. People are so impatient. Actually, I want to take y'all down to the dock. Let me take y'all down to the dock. So this area right here is called the Flats. Very, very nice area to be at. At night, not so really nice. Just to let you guys know, if you know, you know. It's not really a good area to be at. But yeah, this is pretty much the Flats. I can show you guys real quick. I'm gonna come back right there though. Mostly like bars, entertainment area. You could come down here at night. It's so nice down here. They have good food options. You know, it's on the water. You could be a boat, be on a boat, bring females, you know what I'm saying? Do you? Cleveland's not a bad area to be at, but in the summer it's very beautiful. I can tell you guys that. So this is called the Flats. They call it the Flats. I have no clue why they call it the Flats. Don't ask me. Heaven, babe. I'm gonna show y'all this one restaurant that I really loved. I've only been there one time. It actually is right here. I'm gonna show it to you guys real quick. Hey, is it worth to do a walking POV? Like, should I start a walking POV? What y'all think? I don't want to get the GoPro wet. Is it still open? Hold on. Let me see if it's still open. But yeah, this is the water right here. This is the river. I took a ferry on it one time. Let me see if this place is still open. Is it still open? Is it still open? I think I might be on the wrong side. Yeah, I'm on the wrong side. I'm gonna go down this road. This road is actually terrible, but this is the only route. Oh, I thought I just died. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. I do that. Oh my God, muddy. That scared me. But yes. Actually, it's not even over here. You know what? I don't. It doesn't even matter. I don't even know where it's at. I don't even know if they closed it or not. It doesn't matter. I was low-key scared. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know who Buddy is. Oh, say, yo. Heaven, babe. Hey y'all, if y'all enjoy this, put something nice in the comments, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one real quick. Well, yeah, this is downtown Cleveland for y'all. As y'all can see, it is a gloomy day today, so it's not much y'all can really do today, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is the Camry real quick. 2025 Camry, black edition, black rims, everything black. I got the emblem black, I got the back emblem black, I got the letters, everything black. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoy these videos. I don't just do it for the fun, I do it because I care and I enjoy making content. And if you guys are inspired by the type of content I do, that means a lot to me. I love to inspire you guys. If you guys like the content, we're gonna expand. I'm gonna probably try to do maybe like a scat pack POV or a review or any type of car content like that. But yeah, once I get back to school, I'm gonna do a wash. I'm gonna give you guys a wash video explaining on what I do to my rims, explaining on how I wash my car, so you guys can better help your guys' self while washing. Or 30% on the windshield, and we're gonna be clean, we're gonna look sweet, we're gonna be looking cool, boys. We're gonna be looking great. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you guys do subscribe, put something in the comments, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. We out.